Top-notch company. The cooling and plumbing company, first class all the way. Customers, number one. You don't get that every day. They take care of you, they listen, and the install, first class, can't beat it. This is my retirement workshop. There might have been some cars in my history, 40 years with Ford Motor Company, working on high-end stuff. You're not gonna believe me, but I was over it. For relaxation, woodworking. Built a shop, need to keep it cool. As you can tell, it's awesome in here. It might be 115 outside, it's still 76 degrees in here. The wood stays good, there's no humidity problems. I've got a gorgeous workshop. As you can see, there's 2 Daikin units in here. They keep this place humidity controlled for the wood. They keep me controlled for my temperature and the shop temperature. So thanks guys, you did an awesome job. This is my getaway, my doghouse, my man cave, when I'm a bad boy where I go to.